Florida housing market. This is an update from October 2023. As always, the numbers are a month behind. So we're looking at October's numbers at the end of November here. We're going to start in Collier County, which is the southern area that we cover, and go all the way up through Sarasota and Manatee. So closed sales were at 682 in Collier County. That's down 6.2% from a year ago. Median sale price up again, up 7.5%, which is a pretty big jump from a year ago, 612,795. Month supply of inventory is also up at 5.2 months. So we are into that, what is typically considered a balanced market. So between 5 and 7 months is what is typically considered a balanced market. So we are there now. First time Collier County has been in that range. Median time to contract is up to 57 days. That's up from 41 days a year ago. New listings are at 1273. That's up 34% from a year ago. So that's a big jump. New pending sales is also up a little bit at 2.1%, or up 2.1% to 637. So closings went down, new listings went way up, new pending sales went up a little bit. And this is likely kind of getting into that. It's a little early versus what we normally see. But starting to get into season, people start to put their homes on the market as they feel the snowbirds are going to start coming down to Southwest Florida and potentially look at buying homes down here. And so, like I said, this is a little bit earlier than we normally see it, but let's see what we see everywhere else. So in Lee County, closed sales are at 1437. That's up 35% from a year ago. So that's a big jump. Median sale price is down a little bit to 375. Also into that 5.2 months. So into that balanced market. Median days to contract 46. New listings at 2754. That is up 88% from a year ago. So that is huge. That's that's almost double the closed sales and almost double the pending sales. So pending sales are also up 26%, 1547. So that's very interesting there. Charlotte County, closed sales are at 443. That's up 69% from a year ago. So that's a huge increase. Median sale price at 365 is down a little bit, which we saw last month as well, that Charlotte County prices were dropping a little. Month supply of inventory is now up to 6.3, 42 days to contract. New listings are at 885, so that's 162% jump from a year ago. And new pending sales are up almost 100% from a year ago at 464. So what I think we're seeing is because inventory is increasing, what we saw at the end of last year was a major constraint on inventory. There was not much for people to buy. And now that inventory has gone up, now we're starting to see people taking advantage and jumping on it. So in Sarasota County, let's see what these look like. Closed sales at 812. That's only up 4% from a year ago. Median sale price still up a little bit at 475. 4.1 month supply of inventory. So we're still technically in a buyer's market, but as with all of our all the different areas here in Southwest Florida, it is increasing still. 30 days median time to contract. New listings are at 1507, so that's up 72% from a year ago. New pending sales at 780 is up 43% from a year ago. And then Manatee County, 846 for closed sales. That's up a little. Median sale price, I believe, if I remember correctly, this is the first time we've seen the median sale price drop in Manatee County. And that's a significant drop, down 11%. Month supply of inventory is still the lowest of all of the markets we cover here, 3.5 months. 30 days median time to contract. New listings at 1224. That's only up 28% from a year ago. New pending sales at 647 is up 4%. So let's look at what we see the trends are for the year. So Collier County in January, up. March, April, May, and June up higher, but dropping slightly into the summer and the early fall, which that's a typical curve for what we see here in Southwest Florida. This is pretty identical to what we used to see pre-COVID. Same thing here in Lee County. Pretty similar curve here. We had a little spike and then dropping a little bit. So that's not unusual. Charlotte's pretty similar. It was just flatter. Sarasota is about the same, and Manatee is about the same as well. So that's closed sales. Median sale price. I guess in Manatee we did see a little bit of a drop last month as well. So Collier County, see, I mean, they're all pretty flat though. We're not seeing huge price drops. We're not seeing major changes in anything. Month supply of inventory. Obviously, as I mentioned, we saw spikes in all of them. And so Collier, Lee, and Charlotte County are all, Charlotte especially, is well into balanced market territory. And so that's what we're looking at. If anybody's got any questions, here's my contact info. You want to know how this impacts you specifically in your particular situation, give me a shout. You got my cell phone number. You can call me or text me there. You can email me here at jerryneesman@gmail.com. You can reach out on our website. Of course, all the social media outlets as well, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So hit me up if you have any questions. If you want to know, like I said, how this impacts you specifically, give us a call, reach out. We'll be happy to go over your situation and see how we can help. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have